Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning your next adventure, you know that Tripadvisor is a goldmine for traveler tips and advice. Today, we're diving into how to ask a question on the Tripadvisor forum in 2025. Whether you're curious about the best hidden gems in Paris or safety tips for a solo trip, this step-by-step guide will have you posting like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Tripadvisor account. If you don't have one, it's super quick to sign up. Just head to the Tripadvisor website or app and create a free account. Once you're in, look for the Community or Forums tab at the top of the page. This is your gateway to connecting with millions of travelers. Next, browse through the categories to find the right spot for your question. Tripadvisor has forums organized by destinations, topics like hotels, flights, or activities, and even specific interests. For example, if you're asking about Rome, click on the Europe section and then select Rome. This helps get answers from people who know the area best. Now, hit the Ask a Question button, which you'll usually find at the top of the forum page. Here, you'll see a text box where you can type your question. Keep it clear and detailed, include specifics like your travel dates, budget, or any concerns to get the most helpful responses. Remember, the more info you provide, the better. Before you post, take a second to review your question. Tripadvisor might suggest similar threads, so check those out to avoid duplicates. Once you're ready, add any tags or select relevant options, then hit Post. Your question is now live. One quick tip: be polite and engaging in your posts. Say thanks in advance, and you'll likely get more responses. In 2025, Tripadvisor has made the forum even more interactive with features like real-time notifications, so you'll know right away when someone replies. There you have it, folks. Asking a question on Tripadvisor is straightforward and can unlock a world of advice. Give it a try on your next trip planning session. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop your questions in the comments below. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.